guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I pray that you guys are all doing well. So I'm back with a new video. So I have a new one from Ashimary, and as usual I have all the details and links located in the info section below. So here's everything that I received with my wig. Y'all got a bunch of goodies this time around. The wig that I received today is this gorgeous kinky curly 4C edge Invisistrap 360 laid flat lace wig. And y'all, this is what this wig looks like. Y'all see those gorgeous curls, and it does have those 4C edges. Y'all, I'm a fan. I'm a fan of the 4C edges, y'all. But again, this wig is a 360 unit. It does have the 4C edges along the very front, as well as lace going around the entire perimeter. This unit also has the 4D dome cap design that's made to mimic our natural foreheads. They also pre-installed lace tape just in case you want to adhere this unit down. It has the removable adjustable band as well as the invisible straps in the very back, and it's 4 straps this time, so you get a even better secure fit, and y'all can really pull on this one without the strap snapping or anything like that, and it lays very flat against the back of your neck. And then you also have the removable combs. Y'all, I'm a comb girly, so I'm gonna leave those installed. So again, this is what this unit looks like. As usual, I kind of like to put my wig on my canvas block and just kind of get my wig prepped and ready to go. This unit didn't come with a part, so I went ahead and did a middle part. You guys can definitely wear this unit kind of like in the tossed over look, or you can wear this unit kind of like in a ponytail. I've seen some girlies cut bangs into their unit. To each his own. I just decided to do my old faithful middle part. Because this is a 360 unit, I'm going to focus directly on the very back of the unit, because 360s are special because you can wear them up in ponytails and they look very natural towards the nape as well as around the entire perimeter of the unit. So I just applied some water, a little bit of gel, and I slicked everything up to get that to look extremely flat. I went ahead and I created my own little kitchen back there, so I pulled out some little hairs just along that area so that it can look natural. I'm going to let those dry and then cut those down a bit to where they look very natural. I'm just redefining them by adding a little bit of my gel. Then I'm going to apply my edge band again to make that look very flat back there. I want it to look like it's growing from the back of my neck, so I'm going to want that to look very flat. So now I'm just going to work on the rest of the hair, spritzing it down with some water. I'm going to add a little bit on my foaming wrap mousse, followed by some of this gel. I'll leave everything that I'm using throughout this video in the info section below, just in case you guys are interested in what I'm using. But I'm just going to work that product throughout the hair. Gonna go in using my detangling brush just to detangle the hair as well as to clump the curls together, because I really wanted some juicy definition, and you guys are just seeing how these curls are clumping and it looks so juicy. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna leave the kinky edges alone for now. I just applied a little bit of water, a little bit of mousse, and I'm just going to apply my edge band going around that, just again to make it look very flat and natural. And yeah, this is what this hair is looking like. So I let the hair sit and dry overnight. It was a bit stiff, so you are going to need to break that cast off of the hair just by scrunching the hair in your fingers, and you're going to notice that it's going to go from hard due to the product to very soft because the hair is really good quality. I'm going to go ahead and remove that edge band, and you guys can see how the 4C edges look. I will be fixing those a little later. Now the lace on this unit is transparent going all the way around the entire unit, so I will be tinting that a little later. But first I'm going to go ahead and remove those pre-installed lace tape, because I for one don't really use those. I'm going to apply a little bit of my foundation to a paper towel, and I'm just going to apply it all over the entire lace from the very front all the way to the back, because I do want this unit to melt right on in with my skin tone without looking light or pale or anything like that. So this is what the lace is looking like. So now I went ahead and I threw on a stocking cap. Black is just the best method for myself. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put this wig on and see what we're working with. I'm just taking my edge brush and I'm just going to manipulate the 4C edges just to where they look natural. Now I will be adhering this unit down by using some of my Eben lace glue, and I'm just going to spray some of that along my forehead, blow dry it just a little bit, and it should be tacky enough to where the lace melts right on in. I'm not going to use any adhesives in the very back of the unit. That is where the Invisistraps kind of comes into play. They're going to make the unit lay very flat, as well as providing a nice customized comfortable fit. I did decide to cut more of the ear shape design off. Now this unit does come preset with the deep pre-ear shape design, but I just decided to cut a little extra lace. You want to be very careful to where you don't cut the actual invisible straps. So now I'm just going to adjust the Invisistraps in the very back. Make sure once you adjust those that you're tucking them inside the unit, because the last thing that you want is for those straps to be hanging out for everybody to see. So this is what the very back of the unit looks like. Super natural, like it's grown from my own kitchen, y'all. Looks very natural. But now I'm going to go in using a little bit of powder to just make that middle part pop. And I'm just going to go to town and fluff this unit out so that we can develop some volume. Now this is optional, but I decided to cut some face framing layers just to where this hair has a bit of personality and it frames my face. I'm also cutting the very bottoms of the hair because it was a little bit on the straggly side and there was a couple of curls that were hanging a little low. So I just went ahead and cut those down. I am then taking a little bit of my foamy wrap mousse, going to redefine those curls, scrunch those up, and yeah, this is what this hair is looking like. So again, this is what this wig is looking like, and y'all, I just love how bouncy these curls are, and I just love the definition that this wig created. People tend to not necessarily like kinky curly hair because of the high maintenance, but if you get yourself a good detangling brush and some product, y'all, it's actually kind of fun defining kinky hair. I actually really do like it because, you know, you can get some volume, it looks very natural, and I am just 100% here for it. Now, this is a 360 unit, and 360s can be a bit challenging, especially if you are a beginner, but with this unit, they took out all the hard work and it's super beginner friendly, super easy to be able to wear and make it look natural. You guys see how the nape looks, super natural, melting on in with my skin. You can wear this in a high ponytail, you can wear it in like a high little puff. You know, I just went ahead and I pinned my hair up, but I actually prefer this unit going down. It's giving something going down in its little bouncy curls. But again, you guys do check out Ashimary. I'll have all the details and links provided in the info section below. Y'all let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye.